Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. Use a pair of pliers to pinch and disconnect the hose clamp. Use a screwdriver to loosen the air hose. There are 5 screws securing the filter housing. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws. Be aware that the bolts only need to be loosened, not removed, in order to access the air filter. Remove the filter housing. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AF9098 filter into the housing. Reinstall the housing. Reinstall the hoses. Reinstall the screws. Pinch and reinstall the hose clamp. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.